The thing that most impacted me here in Taquile was the silence. When I went on the top of a hill, it was really silent.
You can hear the wind and the animals, and it was very nice.
I think for the first time in my life, I heard the real silence.
And the sunset is just, I was just speechless.
La playa al extremo de la isla es una playa de sueño. No sé, creo que es en un lago, creo que es el mar.
It's not so touristic, this island, so I like that it's a very quiet place and just meeting the locals and see how do they live.
We decided not just to spend 2 hours with a tour, but to spend the night.